On the group, there are occasional questions about permanently disabling the start-stop system, so I made a tutorial. Here, using a Skoda Kamiq as an example, but this method works for many brands and it's always super simple. Look, you just need this module, a little cable that we have to connect to the start-stop button. You just need to pry off this plastic piece with the buttons. You'll get a yellow prying tool with the module. It requires a bit of force. Everything is held by clips. Once you manage to remove the panel with the buttons, now you just need to unplug the cable underneath. Also, a bit of force, and it should come out. Next, we need to connect our purchased module to the button. It's impossible to mix up because the connectors are different on each side. One end connects to the button and the other to the cable that was originally in the Skoda. And now, the most challenging part. You have to stuff it in and push the panel back in. I'm experienced, but it might take you longer, maybe a few minutes. You need to hide the wires in such a way that they don't block the panel when reassembling. And see, the module tricks the system so that when the engine is turned on, the start-stop automatically turns off. But most importantly, you can always turn it back on with the baton. The button still works all the time. Simple, safe, and effective. I've provided the link to this product on AliExpress in the comments.